Hi, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get cache set up in Helicone with just one line of code. So to first get started, head over to our docs page, go to docs.helicone.ai and look for our caching page. You can hit Command K to quickly search for caching, and you'll see right here LLM caching. Once you scroll down, you can see which language works best for you. So in this example, we'll be using curl, but it works with Python, Node.js, and any other language that Helicone supports, which you can see over in the headers directory. We support LangChain and a handful of other languages as well. So to get started using cache, all you do is go over to wherever you're making your request, go to headers, and add this Helicone cache enabled header and set that to true. And if we go and send a request, so we say like hello world, you can see the first request that gets sent is a cache miss because it has not been sent before. So if we go and look in our Helicone dashboard, we'll see the request come in hello world. And if we send this request one more time, we can see that we got a cache hit that returned really quickly. Cache was hit. And if we go back to Helicone, head over to the cache tab, you can now see we have two hits right here. The most recent one was this top one, and that has this request ID. You can also head over to the logs table to see what actually was hit. So right here is hello world. And one of the nice things that you can do as well is you can change the headers to add cache control to enable max age. So for example, if you wanted to add a time limit on when you want the cache to expire, we abide by the cache control header, which is like the NDN standard. And if you enable max age to 10, this will go ahead and expire the cache entry after 10 seconds. We're going to go ahead and skip that one, but I'm going to show you something really cool that we implemented to simulate like pseudo randomness that can also save you a lot of time. So we have this idea of Helicone cache bucket, or like basically like a bucket of requests to then randomly sample through. So if we do Helicone cache bucket max size 2, if I go and send this request, you'll see here that we get a cache miss. And then if I send another request, we'll get one more miss. So right now, our bucket has been full with 2 misses. And now on the third one, it's going to randomly select from the previous 2 entries. So what just happened is if we go back to Helicone, you can see here, if we go to our dashboard, if we go to our request page, you'll see there are 2 requests that came through. And when we make that third request, it's going to randomly select between these 2 to return back to the user. And then that's how cache bucket works. The last thing I want to note is we do have this idea of the cache seed. So if you want to refresh your cache based on an environment property or a user ID or something like that, you can go ahead and append that to the cache seed, and that basically will get hashed down, and that's what we use to do our key matching for the cache. So let's say you wanted to recycle your cache or reset your cache completely, you can just go ahead and add this cache seed. So right now, if I send a request, you'll see that I'll get a cache hit right here in this return header. If I change the cache seed, I will then get a miss here up until this is basically a new bucket. So now I'll get a hit on the third one right here. And that is how cache works. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, appreciate it.